Niagara Falls, man. Niagara Falls. You got my money, mother. Yo, man. It's cold as shit out here, big. But the Nike boots was essential on this trip, man. The Nike boots, man. If I had on them little van type Nike, oh man, my ankles would be just frostbit. Yo, first of all, they got buildings in Niagara Falls. Let me tell you something. I didn't expect this. It's an actual city. I thought Niagara Falls was just the falls and that's it. It's like real buildings out here. Look at this. They got aquariums, discovery centers. They got a bridge, the city, fishing and hiking. Okay, Niagara Falls. Okay. Look at that building, though. I'm like, yo, they really out here. Look like Toronto. You know it's cold when you gotta do this to read something. Dang, I can't even wipe this. The information is frozen over. But yo, I can hear the falls off in the distance. You hear it? That's the falls, man. I'm about to pull up and be like, oh, the majesty. Wait, I got a question for y'all. Is that Toronto? Is Toronto right there? I don't know where the hell I'm at. Is that Views? Is that the building Drake was sitting on? Tell me. Yo, y'all tell me right now if that's Toronto. I did not know Toronto was like right here. I could have went to Toronto. I could have been running through the 6 with my wall. You know how that shit go. Free Wi-Fi. Yo, I never knew. Is this Toronto? That's the building. But yo, look at this. Look at these falls. Yo, beat the fish. The majesty of the falls. Woo. Man, let me tell y'all. I get this shot right here. I'm getting the hell up out of here. I ain't been this cold in decades. Okay. It's Ontario, right? It's Ontario here. So they all get views from the 6 type building in Canada. Man, I'm getting the hell out of here. Yo, these squirrels is out here looking robust. Kind of big. You gotta be robust to be in this cold. This squirrel is thick. Look at this one. Chill. Oh wow, the squirrels come in the buildings out here. Look at this robust squirrel right here. Yeah, luring out with peanuts. I've never seen that.
How you doing, man?
I'm good, man. Even the squirrels is like, it's cold out there. Man, let me tell y'all something, man. That kind of cold out there. Look at my nose, man. Look at my nose. Look like I've been tussling out here. It's freezing out there. These gloves did no work. My hands is frostbit. And when I went and peed in there, my penis was on toddler level. I had a toddler penis in that bathroom. That's how cold it is. It's so cold, my penis was a belly button at this point. Man, I don't know how these squirrels do it out here. I don't know how they are making a living out here, man. These squirrels is wild. It's cold as hell out here, squirrels. How y'all do it? Yo, this squirrel is on me. Yo, these squirrels are so cold. This squirrel was just on me. These squirrels are so cold, they're not scared of humans. Look at that. This squirrel legit climbed them. Look at this. They are on me. Wow. Look at this. These squirrels, look at this. The squirrel is on me, B. Yo, another one's on me. Look at this, y'all. Look at this.
You got pistachios on you or what?
No, I got nothing. I got icebreakers in my pocket. So we breaking the ice. Never seen squirrels so friendly. Some big squirrels too. Look how big these squirrels are, man. swimming into robust squirrels. Look at them. They so cold out here. They doing wild stuff. They trying to get on me from there. I see them looking into my eye. Look at this. Once again, on me. Wow, these squirrels are awesome. I'm truly impressed by the Niagara Falls squirrel. Appreciate y'all. Look at them. It's all up in the camera. Grab me. Wow. Now I know y'all gonna be in my DMs like, you better be careful. They might have rabies. Y'all be the scariest people of all time. But for real though, they might have rabies, yo. Turn up the heat. Woo, it was cold out there, y'all. Oh my God.